Welcome to Architecture Bliss channel. Have you ever stepped outside and wished your backyard felt like a true extension of home? We have all been there, dreaming of a cozy outdoor kitchen without spending a fortune. Today we are exploring beautiful rustic outdoor kitchens you can create for under $3,000 in 2026. We will share real DIY transformations, clever material choices, and warm customizations that bring comfort and charm to any space. Stay with us until the end, because we have practical lists and inspiring ideas that will help you begin your own peaceful outdoor sanctuary. We begin with the foundation of any great rustic kitchen. A simple gravel or paver base paired with reclaimed wood or affordable cedar for the counter frame. Many of us are discovering that old pallets, pressure-treated lumber on sale, and even concrete blocks finished with stucco can create sturdy, charming islands that feel grounded and timeless. We add open shelving made from thrifted barnwood and hang simple hooks for tools and towels, creating that lived-in feeling we all love. For the cooking area, we focus on portable solutions that feel permanent. A reliable 2-burner propane stove tucked into a custom cart, a small charcoal grill, and a vintage-style sink connected to a garden hose give us everything we need for outdoor meals without complicated plumbing. We are seeing beautiful results with galvanized metal accents, weathered copper pipe details, and warm string lighting that creates a soft glow at dusk, turning the space into a true evening sanctuary. Material lists stay intentionally simple and budget-friendly. We use concrete pavers for the floor, cedar or pine for the structure, and weatherproof sealants that protect everything through the seasons. For countertops, we explore affordable options like sealed plywood with a wood-burned edge, thick butcher block remnants, or even large format tiles that mimic natural stone. These choices allow us to stay well under $3,000 while still achieving a high-end rustic look. We love adding personal touches that make the space feel like ours. Repurposed crates become storage, old windows become cabinet doors, and vintage enamelware adds character without cost. We are also incorporating biophilic elements such as potted herbs, climbing vines on simple trellises, and a small water feature made from a thrifted bowl. These details create the serene, lived-in feeling we all crave and help the kitchen blend beautifully with the garden around it. Budget customizations make every project unique. We can stain the wood in soft grayish or warm honey tones, add sliding barn door style covers for the grill, or install a simple pergola with outdoor curtains for shade and privacy. Everything stays under $3,000 when we shop sales, reuse materials, and focus on what truly matters: comfort, function, and beauty. Many of us are also discovering clever ways to incorporate 2026 trends without breaking the budget. Think sustainable materials like reclaimed barnwood, solar-powered string lights, and even small herb walls made from vertical pallet gardens. These touches not only look beautiful but also connect us more deeply with nature and the joy of growing our own food. The result is a space that feels both current and deeply personal. We are seeing wonderful transformations when homeowners choose to add just one or two statement pieces, such as a vintage enamel sink or a beautiful wooden cutting board display. These small details make the entire kitchen feel thoughtfully curated rather than simply assembled. The key is to let the natural textures of wood, metal, and stone shine while keeping the overall palette warm and inviting. This approach helps the space feel both beautiful and achievable on a real budget. As we close the open loop, we remember that a beautiful outdoor kitchen does not need to cost a fortune. With thoughtful planning and a warm rustic approach, we can create a space that brings family and friends together for years to come. We hope these ideas inspire you to begin your own transformation this season. If this vision speaks to your heart, please like the video, subscribe for more peaceful home inspiration, and tell us in the comments, what peaceful corner would you create first?